Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to see how to set up our GitHub account in the github.com in the easiest way. First go with the Google and type search in the Google bar GitHub. Once you get, go with the first link github.com. Here you will see on the right top corner setup. Click on this setup. You will get a nice interface website link like this. On the right side you can see the email. I am entering my Gmail account, and the password you have to give this strong password mixture of the alphabets in capital alphabet and a small case and the numeric and special character. And the username, this is permanent, we can't change after the creation of the github.com. So I am going to search this is available or not. Yeah, it's available. It's shown the green tick mark. My region is India. Once you filled all the information, just click on the continue. Yeah, please solve a puzzle so we can safely create your account. Click on the visual puzzle. Yeah, this is the puzzle maybe. Let's try it. Yeah, this is the submarine. Click on the subnet. Yeah, you can manually continue if you are not like that. Just I am saving the password, user account and password. The code which I was get in the Gmail. Go to your Gmail account where I get let's refresh it once again. Yeah, I got it. This is the code, just I am copying it. I am pasting it here. Yeah, your account was created successfully. Please sign in to continue. I'm going to continue, sign in. Yeah, that's it. It's a simple thing, right? This is a simple video to create your GitHub account in the official website github.com. This is a short video. Coming up videos I will show how to set up your GitHub in the local CLI or terminal. It's a simple thing I will show you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share the video. Thanks for watching.